Hello sir and ma'am, I am from Indian Nautic Crew team. So we made this app called Collie, which provides a bond between all the senior, junior, all the year student, also the alumni and the teachers. So here on the dashboard, the teacher can conduct the quiz. So we will go through the teacher dashboard also, but here we are on the student dashboard right now. So where we can see the quizzes. So let's start the first quiz. So which institute organized this event? So this is MN90, and official mascot of Hack 36 is Milo. Let's submit it, and we got 20 out of 20. Let's see the leaderboard. So I am at the 5th position. Some other student has also give the quiz and they have scored the great points. So we can see the current and the overall ranking of the student who is the first, second and third rank also. So we can see the solution. Okay, the solution are the same because we corrected all the answers. So let's see, like we have attempted the quiz, so it is written attempted. If I click on the quiz, so it will again give me the solution. So if I am stuck at somewhere, so I will ask seniors about it. So I will go to discover page where I can see all the asked questions by other students or any alumni, any students or teachers. So these are the post confessions. So the confessions are empty, academics. So here if I click on any post, so here we can see comments over the post. We can see like these posts, and I like this is my post, so I can edit post, I can delete post it, I myself can like my post and can comment. So similarly so here like on post I have done all my post works. Like let's create a post like postgres postgres has been posted, like it, and others can also see this post. So here are the created posts. So I created this post as I mentioned earlier, and if I am making any post, like let's suppose just a random post, and if I am doing a save as draft, so it will be in the unpublished post save as draft. What I have written earlier, it will be shown here. I can change the I can change any of the text, and if I don't want to edit this, I can discard it. Similarly, let's go to the chat option. So here in the chat, so I can chat any one of the alumni, anyone of the students, teachers. So I go here, and if I search anyone like this, so here we can sort all by freshers. So there is no freshers, juniors. Yeah, this guy is the junior. Alumni, no alumni. So this is the alumni. So we can talk anyone of the guy, and the it will appear on the main dashboard chat screen. So let's call Sumit a video calling. So it's a video call. So whatever we have seen, the Sumit's data log is here, and the logs are saved in the table. It is formed in, we are using SQL. So yeah, we have deleted the data. So yeah, we can see the dashboard also here, like what was my rank and all. So right now we are in the teacher dashboard, and we have filled all the details of teacher. So we haven't created any quizzes, so let's create a quiz. And nobody has given the quiz, so it is 0 attempted. Then all the features like profile, see posts are the same as the student dashboard.